All right, today we are in Lehi, Utah, and we're going to change out a nozzle because if you look here, this sprinkler nozzle should be looking like this, and it's gone. You can see the top of it's broken out, whether it blew out from the water, but when we turned on the zone through this section, there was just a geyser blown up of water. So what you do is you can take these wire strippers or channel locks, whatever you have, and then you can just obviously open that up, make sure you're wearing gloves, grab this center part right here, and you can see I'm pulling up the shaft. Grip the shaft, don't let it drop back down, and you're going to twist this off counterclockwise. So you can see the difference. This is the old nozzle and then the new nozzle. Also, you want to take out, there's a filter inside of here. So you take this filter out because it could be just plugged or just old. Put a new filter in. These filters are specific. This is called a adjustable nozzle. So you use the blue filters, and you buy these at Sprinkler Supply. Anywhere in Utah you can pick these up. So you take this filter, slide it here in the shaft, and then this has threads on there as well as on the top of the shaft. Take this, twist the nozzle on, and then you can figure out your pattern. These are adjustable nozzles, so you can kind of adjust them as they need to be. Whether it's a 180, a 90, or a 360, this nozzle can do it all. So the way this one sets is at the top of the nozzle, there's an L, and that means your starting side, the left side, that L right there. And then it opens up to a full 360, a 90, or a 180 just by turning this bottom part. And you can turn this on and have it running while you're adjusting it so you can see where the pattern goes. So we need to get it so it shoots this way and a little over here. So I set the left side and then adjusted it to hit around this curve. And there's all different type of spray distances. This is an 8-foot distance. If you go over here, you have a 12-foot nozzle, an 18-foot nozzle, a 15-foot nozzle. So there's all different sizes of nozzles, even a 360. So all different sizes of nozzles depending on the area that you're trying to cover. But if you go to Sprinkler Supply, you can just talk to them and say, hey, I have this area I need to cover, what nozzle do I need? And there you go. And that is how you replace a nozzle on a Rainbird or a Hunter sprinkler system. Thanks for watching.